Ungweru Renewable Solution Enterprise is an enterprise that brings different solutions to energy poverty in Malawi. Ungweru works in different communities. We have noticed that there are so many challenges that we are facing in our rural areas and semi-urban areas. One of the main challenges is lack of economic activities. This lack of economic activities has led to deforestation, where people they cut down trees to make charcoal as their main activity. And there is also unstable income in households. This unstable income has brought many challenges and problems in our community. One is health hazard activities. This has led to high HIV and AIDS rate. This is why Ungweru is trying to bring off-grid energy in these communities to try to alleviate these problems that come because of energy poverty. Ungweru renewable mean hydro turbines or micro hydro turbines that will be producing and that will be generating energy to off-grid communities. It's a simple turbine that can be installed without heavy construction. Installation can be done by the rural community. The community that we are working in will benefit from this energy. Ungweru Solution Enterprise will also be involved in facilitation in productive use of renewable energy. This community will be able to use this energy productively. I'll be taking you through Ungweru Renewable Solution Enterprise business plan. In our communities that we are working in, we saw an opportunity to solve the challenges that they serve. We are bringing solutions at the same time making business. We noticed that there is lack of economic activities in these areas, which has led to deforestation, health issues, which leads to immoral behaviors, disconnection to the outside world. There is need of energy in these areas, in these communities. We bring energy to off-grid communities. We'll be selling energy to them. In turn, these communities using energy to do economic activities to bring income into them, into their homes. In every business, there are competitors that are involved. In case of renewable energy supply, we face our competitors to be those people who sell candles, those people who sell those businesses that sell kerosene or paraffin, those who sell charcoal, firewood, solar lamp. These are our main competitors in this energy business. Let me take you in market analysis. Our market analysis, I'll start with value proposition. Our value proposition is reliable and stable supply of energy, and also be using pay-as-you-go system. The unique proposition that we have as Ungweru is bring solutions to challenges brought by energy poverty together with the community. We have a committee that will be helping us to learn the project. As Ungweru, we have segmented our customers into 3 categories. There's public, private or individual, and industrial. These will be charged differently. As for public users, they will have 37 cents, or equivalent to 37 kwacha per kilowatt hour, while private or individual users 7 cents, which is 53 equivalent to 53 kwacha per kilowatt hour, while industrial users is 67 kwacha per kilowatt hour. We are working in Chinji, Neno, Lilongwe. As an enterprise, there are several promotion strategies that you can use, but for Ungweru we have chosen a door-to-door promotion. Also, we'll be using energy committees, water association committees to promote the use of energy for people to connect to our off-grid energy. We also have agents in the area. We also be using this. We use advertisement leaflets for people to read and understand the need to use energy, and community meetings and gatherings. These community gatherings will have workshops, will have demonstration how to economically and productively use the energy. Economic growth accompanied by worsening social outcomes is not success, it is failure. There is need to measure impact in a community, social, environmental, and economical. You need to measure improvement in livelihood. This could be in job creation, increase in household income, vulnerable groups benefiting from your intervention, from your innovation, from your project. Is there health improvement? Is the community assets growing, being useful? Is there any added knowledge that people are gaining from your intervention? Is there reforestation? Is the environment being recreated? Is the environment safe? Are there good practices because of your intervention? The question could be, where do you get initial data to measure the impact that you are bringing in the community? You could have an initial survey work on your social indices in the community, or you can just tap the existing data of Malawi government. This will be your benchmark, and you will be able to measure whether your innovation has a positive or a negative impact. Now I should take you through energy production and cash flow. The design is to have a maximum of 25 kilowatt per hour per turbine. This translates to an annual energy production of 110 milliwatt hour. This is the cash flow table from year 0 to year 5. You can see that we have an expense and cost, initial cost and expenses of $15,000 with the investment and the revenue that would be getting. You can see that the payback period would take us close to 3 years. This is the cash flow table showing the revenue, the expenses, and the net profit margin. In this project, we have calculated the investment return rate is at 11%. Local network, we have Frame Tree Initiative, which has given us an opportunity to participate in their dealer sessions, which has helped us a lot in redesigning. Colleagues in renewable energy, these are our local network that will be using. Currently, Ungweru has no international network, but we believe that in the near future we will have working with international organizations, international donors. As Ungweru Solution Enterprise, we believe that energy is the driving force to our greater economy in Malawi. Energy we cannot learn. People now, we are going into digital. We are going into e-learning. Without energy, we'll be left behind as a country.